just looking for something in my freezer and I saw Udara. This is June. Today is June what? Today is 9th June 2023. This is the Udara I bought in January when we were coming back here at Oyinbo Market. Do you remember? I said I must film it for you guys. For those asking me, how long does Udara stay in the freezer, my dear? This is the one, and it still has taste. Oh, it still has taste. That's taste. This is 5 months. Yeah, from January. I bought it in January. It still has taste. Huh? I'm surprised. I thought it would have a flat taste, but no, it's good. I said I must finish this one. No. This is a good find. And you guys know that I just came back from Nigeria. And someone was even telling me in the comments, buy Udara for me. And I was like, I'm in Nigeria in May. So Udara is seasonal. It's only during Christmas and early January. I bought these raw groundnuts from Nigeria. I don't even know if I showed this in the everything I brought back from Nigeria video. This place was chaotic when I was filming that video. Anyway, here it is, one extra thing I brought back from Nigeria. See Nana enjoying the peanuts. You like it, no?
Yes.
See her hair that I made before I traveled. See, the hair is still nice. You just need to brush it, but you know, it has a lot of new growth. Then no wire, no feather.
Sorry.
But it's still good. That's the good thing about this kind of tiny hair. You just brush it very well to still look good. See what Neddy's hair looks like after how long now? I made this on end of April. So look at what it looks like now. This is end of June, so call it 2 months. So it's time to take it down. Take it down. See, that's why it's good to make curly hair for when I'm traveling, because it will last longer. One and a half hours later, taking down. We'll leave the rest for tomorrow. Washing and braiding. Whenever you guys ask me if there's anything I can't do, I just laugh, because even though I know how to do a lot of things, I am a master of none of them. You better believe that. I know that I do them well enough, but I'm not a master. I usually learn just enough of everything to be dangerous in that thing. Once I come across where something is being done, I must pay enough attention to pick up the fundamentals. It's in me. I can't stop doing this. Like this retouching of hair. When I first started relaxing my hair after secondary school, we used to go to one popular hair salon. I can't remember the lady's name now. She was very popular. That hair salon was in my neighborhood in Enugu. The owner of the salon and her workers would meticulously detangle, like comb through a client's new growth before retouching the hair. The salon was so popular that whenever you came there, there must be at least 5 people before you. So I would sit there reading my novel. In those days, no phone to press. I would sit there reading my novel while casting glances at what they were doing. I tell you, those ladies were detangling hair before anyone knew what detangling was. This is so that when it's time to apply the relaxer, parting through the hair would be a breeze. The whole process of applying the relaxer would be so fast that they reduced the cases of burnt hair. You know, in those days, people's hair were burn, like people that have soft scalps or sensitive scalps, and they reduced the occurrence. Since I learned that skill from them, I've used it to relax my mom's hair uncountable times, my auntie's hair, friends' hair, and everyone will be asking me if I have worked in a hair salon before. No, I have never. All I needed to do was pay attention to what they were doing. Same with barbing my son's hair. If I accompany a guy to a barbing salon, I will pay attention to how they barb the hair, fade and carve the hair. The same with driving. Before I started driving, whenever I was in a car with friends or relatives, I would ask them to let me change the gear while they drove. I mastered changing of gears long before I sat in the driver's seat for the first time. This was in the days of manual shift gear. Some people actually prefer it and still drive manual till this day. Are you one of those people? Are you? For me, once I drove an automatic shift gear, I have never looked back. That was back in 2010. No, actually. No, I remember. It was in the US. I was pregnant with Kamsi in the US, and I drove my friend's husband's car. Yeah, I had to drive because then my friend just moved to the US. She hasn't gotten her license. So I drove the car and I was like, is this the enjoyment that you people that are driving automatic car are having? And yeah, I was like, I've been suffering all my life driving manual. Yeah, I've never driven manual again since that time. See, with skills, if the worst comes to the worst, you will never go hungry in this life. I have so many skills that I can easily develop to professional levels and earn money from if need be. That's my superpower, guys. Having skills is everything. It's a flex. All done now. Look at the simple hairstyle. Yes, I don't want to manipulate her hair too much right after relaxing it. Then I left for Santorini, where my babes and I had the time of our lives. That travel vlog is now up. The link should pop up on the screen right now. I came back to find out that it's our turn to host the Igbo meeting, from Santorini to reality. But waiting woman go do when I entered kitchen. Here am I. I don't know why the supermarkets don't remove all the people that prepare these chickens and bring them to the supermarket for sale. I don't know why they don't remove the skin from drumsticks. They remove every other thing, but not this one. And I must remove it from the chicken, else that part will not be palatable when one is eating the chicken. I have a recipe video with details of all these seasonings, please. So check the description box. I prepared simple jollof rice and salad for the meeting. No strength for mede, not today, I beg. I need time to recover from my holiday in Santorini because, as you saw, it was mad fun. Nene, where are we going?
To buy clothes.
To buy clothes. To buy clothes. To buy clothes. They are going shopping without me. Like, I'm not buying anything. No. If you see anything, I buy there. They made me do it. Ask people that are listening to.
Clothes that will last you for a lifetime.
Igba. Last time, lifetime, Mumbo.
Just come out from where you want to drop sheep or sheep.
Drop ship. I don't get there, they can return. Yeah, why the home?
You know, you are delivering to your master.
Ba. You're not wearing the glasses, then?
No,
Why not?
because I don't want.
You don't want.
No.
You should protect your eyes. Don't mind these two. Their eyes are dead already. And you have a ophthalmology appointment tomorrow morning, eh? Let's not forget. See them, shoppers.
Era poca cantidad, ¿no? Espera que lo busque.
See the big bag that I carry. Hey! Oh, lo. See them. If you see the queue inside this shop, hey, after they'll be saying recession, that things are hard. Yes. If you see the queue inside this shop, the only reason why I didn't film it was that, I don't want to be filming people, but if you see the queue, now they're just shopping. Hey, they're going shopping. Summer sales. But this shop, there are lots of summer clothes there. They didn't want to reduce it because they know that people haven't gone for summer holidays. They want you to buy those things for summer holidays before they reduce the price. That is the kind of sense they used to do this. Their what do you call it? The kind of sense they used to do this. Their sales. If you
People like us are waiting for them.
you're waiting, can you go again? There's a shirt. Okay, yeah, that shirt that I showed you. Because I'm the one teaching him fashion sense. If you will agree. I'm the one teaching him fashion sense, telling him the kind of shirts, the kind of posh golf shirts he should be wearing. That one is not on sale, and he said no, that he'll wait for a little bit more. The problem with this kind of waiting is that by the time they reduce it, you won't see your size again. Any other type. For me, once I see something I like, if I really like that thing, I'll buy it. Because if you're waiting for sales, unless you come on the very first day of sales, you miss that. I'm a money one. My own is if I like something, I buy it. I don't really care whether it's on sale or not.
On the price,
Hey, the sun is behind us.
Whatever you are doing.
I have been need here now. Yeah, in a gear, I cannot be cheap.
Yep.
I've been need a gear. However, if it's a need, not a want. Okay, over here we have Bershka, we have Zara. They are owned by the same person. Same person owns this Bershka and Zara and this shop that we are coming from. In fact, all the shops here, this Spanish man is gone, baby. I am ambushed. All the shops on this high street is owned by that man, and he owns Pull and Bear as well, right? And Stradivarius. He owns all of them. Different names. The same. They are selling the same things. I don't really shop at Zara. Several times I go in there, I don't find what I like. Oh my God, style honey. Even though it's the same, it's owned by the same person or the same company, but I can find like jeans I like in Bershka. But here, it's difficult for me to find the fit, Zara fit. I don't really like it. But Zara has the best kids clothes. Oh my God, I said it before. This is the shop, Zara Kids shop, where I spent all my money, especially when I had camps. All the clothes that he was wearing when he was like baby to toddler, Zara Kids. I am a Zara. No. And just trying to the trousers about because on a few handful.
What trousers are there?
Okay, Beshka. Let's go to Beshka and look for trousers for
who?
For you. You bought only one trouser there, no? Nedi likes baggy trousers. Nedi is a tomboy. She prefers baggy clothes, so it's very difficult to find. She shops in the men's section of all these shops. So she went into that men's section there, and she didn't find her size. The smallest size there is too big for her. Let's go and drink water at the water fountain. Drink water. Press this. Whoosh. The water starts running and you start drinking. The best water in the world. See another one here. This is Abacha Day. I want to make Abacha for relaxation. It's not sharp. Again, I already have a recipe for abacha on my channel. Odogu's own, he doesn't like it hot. He will wash it down with this small odeku, obelo odeku. But I like mine piping hot. Nigerian comes here taking their own. I wash down mine with malt. Makeup is makeuping. The red is redding. The lashes is lashing. We enjoyed the abacha while watching YouTube.
Welcome back, everyone, as we resume the coverage of the election petition dispute. The exchange between the petitioners and the defendants will be very interesting today.
We are still following the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal. You're not following Net Media? Which rock are you living under? You must be the only one left behind, though. Follow him for daily updates of the Election Petition Tribunal. Yeah, he uploads every single day. We have not forgotten. Our eyes are on the judiciary. The stolen mandate must be returned. Click the like button if you enjoyed the vlog, and bye-bye. See you in the next one.
It is an unfortunate situation and we would like to seek for an adjournment.